How are you? So, hearty welcome to Saivika's family. Already 2 weeks, already 2 weeks over. So, are you following the lessons? Are you facing any difficulty? Have you observed any difference between your class 10 study and now the class 11 study in these 2 weeks? Much difference, okay. So, here today I will explain what's the main difference, how the system will be useful for you, and what are the tips you should follow to make your dream come true, that is IITR medical seat. So first of all, the system what we are following is the integrated system. It's completely different from the normal system what you studied in class 10 and what are the other schools following. This system we developed after a lot of research to make sure that most of you will become successful in achieving your desired goals. So how this system is different? First of all, you take the normal system. Till 2:30 you should attend the school. After that you should go for any coaching or tuition. Then after school 2:30 you are going to the coaching and coming back by 5:30 or 6 or sometimes 7 also. By the time you return home, you are totally exhausted. Although you want to read, you will not be able to read much. And most of the time, the topics in school and coaching center are different. You should concentrate on 2 different topics for every subject, and in many coaching centers they teach only advanced topics which are related to the competitive. School people will concentrate only on the boards. Without attending the basics in the school, you may listen to the extra material which is required for competitive exams in the coaching center. As you are not having the basics, you will not be able to grasp much. So lot of difficulty is there in the normal system. So by observing all these difficulties, we formulated this integrated system. In this system, the same teacher will teach you from basics to advanced level. Basics means which are required for the boards, and advanced means which is required for the JEE mains and JEE advanced and NEET, that is medical exams. So in this integrated system, as same teacher is teaching, there will be continuity in the subject. You will have the conceptual clarity, and moreover you will have the freedom to ask the teacher about your doubts, and teacher knows what are your strengths and weaknesses. And the most important thing is your time and energy is saved, because everything under one roof only, and no need of any extra tuitions or coaching. And moreover, our teachers are friendly. They are ready to help you anytime. Most of our hostelers, in the hostel, even at night, 8:39 also, they will be ready to clear your doubts. And it may be a Sunday, or it may be a holiday or festival. If the student is having the doubt, teachers are ready to help. Yesterday you gave the objective pattern exam, and next week you will be having the subjective pattern exam, that is, which is required for boards. So every alternate week you will have the subjective exams as well as objective exams. So in this system, we teach you completely from fundamental points which are required for subjective, and we will help you in the competitive exams also. You will be exposed to all types of questions from the beginning itself. So when you are reading a particular topic, you will have the complete clarity that which type of questions will appear in the board exam and what type of questions will come in the objective exam. This will be the clear-cut advantage. And moreover, as you are writing the exams continuously, there will not be any exam phobia. In these 2 years, you will write minimum 50 board pattern exams and more than 50 objective pattern exams. And you have the facility for the complete doubt clarification also. So, whatever may be your requirement, we will fulfill all your requirements. We will make the things easy for you. Here, many students are wondering, might be wondering, what is the need of so many exams? If you see in your class 10, you might have accustomed to write only unit tests and then board exams, and sometimes quarterly or fairly like that. But here you are writing exams every week. What's the need? Dear students, if you see, for JEE, 13 lakh students appeared, whereas for NET, that is medical, 16 lakh students. If you see the number of seats in IITs, it's just 10,500, whereas medical 65,000 only. For 65,000 seats, 16 lakh students are appearing. That means you are facing a lot of competition. So you must read from the beginning itself. Don't worry. Don't feel that, can I do? इतना सारा कंपटीशन है, मेरे से हो पाएगा क्या? ऐसा डाउट्स कभी भी आपका माइंड में आना नहीं चाहिए. I will tell you simple tips to achieve your target easily. In my service, even a student who got only second class, that is 52%, He secured 90% in class 12 and medical seat. He achieved the medical seat and just he completed his MBBS from Guwahati Medical College only. Such students are also there. Actually, for success, there is no shortcut. Sincere effort is required. So, now I concentrate on the tips for making your dream a true. First tip is you should read today's lesson today itself and you should practice it. And tomorrow when you attend the class, before that, you just review it once. That's enough. You should practice today's lesson today itself. So, what's the use in it? Every person will have two types of memories. First one is present memory, second one is permanent memory. Whatever we see, whatever we listen, it will be fresh in our mind for 2-3 days only. Slowly we will forget. After 1 week, 50% of it we will remember. After 1 month, almost new. But when we read and practice today's lesson today itself, it will go from present memory to permanent memory. So at the time of exam, if you review it once, that's more than sufficient. No need to burn the midnight oil. So the first tip is complete the today's task today itself. You must read today's lesson today itself and you should practice it. And before going to the next day's class, you should revise once. That's all. And second tip. Yesterday you gave the objective exam. Some students, they made WhatsApp groups and they cheated in the exam. You are not cheating us. You are cheating yourselves. You can cheat in online exams. What you will do in offline exams? And moreover, in NEET or JEE, you cannot cheat. If you cheat, you are cheating your parents. And most important thing is you are cheating yourself. Because these marks will not be helpful for you in any manner. So don't go for cheating. Be sincere in your attempt. We are conducting these exams to analyze yourselves. Don't worry about the marks. You may get 50% only. Just you think what went wrong. That analysis is important. Why you are not able to answer correctly the remaining 50%. So, here I am giving the second tip. You keep separate notebooks for physics, chemistry, maths and bio. You write down all your mistakes in the respective subject book. These books are error books. You should solve the complete numerical in that book. What's the use by doing this? If you see, in JEE Mains and NET, 95% questions are repetitive. You will not get any new questions. So, new questions means only 5%. Out of 95%, if you answer 90% correctly, you will get good seat in NIT and medical. So, Today you might have committed a mistake, but you should not repeat itself. That mistake again means you must write it down in your error book and you should practice same type of numerical 2 or 3 so that in future whenever such type of question comes you must do it correctly. If you follow these 2 tips, easily you can get your seat, desired seat, that is in seat in NIT or medical. But one thing, it's not sufficient for IIT seat. For IIT seat, you should practice some Olympiad questions and other materials also. In that, we will help you. You no need to worry regarding that. We will supply all the required material to you. Only thing required is your sincere effort. My dear students, here everything will come at a cost. Your success also. These 2 years, you must work sincerely. If you work sincerely these 2 years, you can enjoy your life as you like. If you enjoy these 2 years, you will suffer your entire life. So, my dear students, to get a medical seat or seat in NIT, just practice your NCERT books. It's more than sufficient. No need to go for other reference books. Bio, chemistry, and for NEET, physics also. Whereas for JEE, you should answer some extra physics questions. That also we will help you in that regard also. NCERT books are your Bible, Quran or Bhagavad Gita, whatever it may be. Almost all questions come from this. NCERT books. Regarding maths, some problems may come out from outside also, but they are related to your NCERT problems. Regarding the materials, we will give you daily practice papers, TPP. In those books, we will give you the exercises which are meant for board as well as competitive. In one exercise, you will have all the board pattern questions. In the other exercises, you will have the questions for competitive exam. Whereas you should purchase this NCERT books and your reference books. Reference books, no need to purchase lot of reference books. Just buy one or maximum 2. Those are for reference only. You should concentrate mainly on your NCERT books. And then you can ask doubts to our faculty without any hesitation. All faculty are student friendly. They will not feel bad for answering the student doubts. They are ready any time to answer your doubts. And moreover, you must maintain a systematic filing also. Here, while writing the subject to exams, you take the question paper of the exam as well as answer sheets are also with you. So you should prepare a separate file with question paper and respective answer sheets. And whatever mistakes you are committing, you should write in the error book. Maintain that regularly. This is regarding the tips for getting success in the competitive exams. Then, normal queries, that is regarding SEBA student. SEBA students' exams may be there in July first week, like that. Please attend the classes of class 11 till your date is announced. Once the date is clear, then you can stop the class 11 classes and prepare regarding your board exams. No need to worry. We will complete all the syllabus again. So don't feel that the missed syllabus will not be covered like that. We will cover the syllabus completely and in a separate batch. And for CBSE students, the classes will be continued. And regarding the computer, you can take computers as an option subject, but we are not starting the classes now. The main reason is the syllabus of computers for both for council and CBSE is different. Once the boards are finalized, we will start the computer classes. And regarding the optionals, for every BPC student, maths is compulsory, but no need to write the exams in maths if you are not interested. Why it's compulsory? In physics and chemistry numericals, maths integrations and other principles are required. So please attend all maths classes. Practice little bit which is required for the physics and chemistry numericals. You no need to give the exam in maths if you are not interested. For PCM students, please don't spend time on biology. Biology is having vast syllabus. It will take lot of time. Instead of that, you concentrate on the main maths, physics and chemistry, and you can take computers, and for CBSE physical education also you can take. So that's regarding your options. So now if you are having any doubts, you can ask. You can ask the doubts without any hesitation. Hello? Hello? Your voice is not clear, Amma. Pardon me? No, not necessary.